Welcome to the Tax Types page in the Admin module. This page is used to configure and manage tax percentages that are applied within the system. It consists of two sections, Default Tax Types and Company Tax. The Default Tax Types section is used to create and maintain the standard tax types that can be used across the application. Use the search box to quickly find a tax type by entering its name. To create a new tax type, click Add Tax Type. The Add Tax Type window will open. Enter the following details, such as tax name, example, GST, CGST, SGST, IGST, or VAT. Enter the applicable tax percentage. Example, to configure 18%, enter 18. After entering the required details, click Add Tax to save the tax type. Note: ensure the tax percentage is entered correctly, as it will be used for tax calculations throughout the application. View the added tax in the tax types list and ensure all the details were entered correctly. The tax types list displays all the configured default taxes along with their percentages. The list includes tax name, displays the configured tax name. Tax percent displays the tax percentage. Actions allows you to edit or delete the selected tax type. To modify an existing tax type, click the edit icon corresponding to the required tax. The Edit Tax Type window will open with the existing details. You can update tax name and tax percentage. After making the required changes, click Update Tax to save the changes. Note: updating a tax percentage may affect future calculations wherever the tax is applied. Verify the value before saving. Use the delete icon to remove a tax type that is no longer required. Note: deleting a tax type that is already associated with transactions may affect future calculations. Ensure the tax type is no longer in use before deleting it. The Company Tax section allows you to view the taxes configured for individual companies in read-only mode. If your organization has different tax structures for different companies, you can configure company-specific tax types in the Company Tax section. Choose the required company from the Select Company drop-down list. Once a company is selected, the system displays company name, customer type, total tax percentage, configured tax types, individual tax percentages, and total custom tax deduction. Note: adding a tax for specific company is not allowed inside the Company Tax section. You can add tax types and tax percentage inside the Customers module. Most importantly, use default tax types when the same taxes apply to all companies. Use company tax only when a company follows a different tax structure or requires custom tax percentages.